right, today I'm going to show you how to make linguine with marinara wild mushroom sauce. It's one of my favorite recipes. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the noodles. Right here I have linguine made by a company called Di Secco. All right, and on the back it shows you instructions on how to cook these noodles. Right here it says in a 6-quart pot, put a little salt. I'm not going to add salt, and then cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until al dente. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I have some boiling water, and I'm just going to go ahead and add this to the boiling water. All right, so I'm going to add some of the pasta to the boiling water. I have 6 quarts of water right here, so I'm just going to add the pasta to the water right here like that. I'm not going to add all of it because I want to save some for a little bit later. I don't want to cook it all right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and add this like this. And I'm going to cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, the noodles aren't quite yet al dente, but I'm going to go ahead and strain these because I want to cook finish cooking the noodles in the marinara sauce with the wild mushrooms. So I'm going to take this, turn this off, grab something so I can pick it up and strain it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and strain the noodles, the linguine, and then I'm going to get started on the marinara wild mushroom sauce. All right, so after the noodles have been strained, I'm going to get started on the sauce. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same pot and I'm going to start to heat it a little bit, and then I'm going to add some olive oil to the pot. Add a little bit of olive oil to the pot like that. Then I'm going to add the wild mushroom sauce in here into the pot. All right, made by a company called Dave's Gourmet. If you have problems opening the top, get someone to assist you. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour the wild mushroom sauce, pasta sauce, into the pan. Just like that. And then I'm going to take the pasta, and I'm just going to add the pasta right on top of it. And the reason why I do it like this is because the pasta is not quite done yet, and I want some of the sauce to cook inside of the pasta. All right, so I'm going to take this, mix this a look. If the sauce is too thick, you might want to add a little bit of water, just like that. And just go ahead and mix it all around. Get the wild mushroom sauce mixed in with the pasta. Absolute goodness. All right, and that's how you make linguine with wild mushroom marinara sauce. Let me know if you have any questions.